everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I decorate our master bedroom for fall and give it a cozy hygge vibe. Today I'm partnering with Nearly Natural, and I'm going to use a couple of their products to give my room a really hygge natural vibe. If you've never heard of the word hygge before, which is spelled Hygge, it's a Danish term that means coziness, but more than just a physical coziness, but coziness of the soul. And I just love the concept. I've loved it for a few years now. I love creating a cozy home anyway, but hygge is so much more. It's not only cozy textures and patterns decorating your home, but it's also gathering together with your best friends, feeling comfortable in your home, that real sense of community and warmth, and just that inside coziness of the soul. So let me show you how I made our master bedroom feel really cozy in hygge, and I hope it gives you some inspiration on how to decorate your own master bedroom for fall and winter this year. Let's get started. So here's how our master bedroom looks, stripped down of all its accessories and ready to be decorated for the fall and winter months. I did move our linen love seat in here, and I really love how cozy it makes this room look. So first of all, I'm going to start by making the bed, and I'm starting with a layer of really warm flannel plaid sheets for that cozy look. The next layer is this really soft chenille blanket. I just found it at the grocery store that we have here, and I really love how soft and cozy it is. In the fall and winter, I like to use lots of layers in my bedding for warmth and for the cozy look. In the summer, we just have a duvet and a duvet cover. The next layer is this beautiful white cotton quilt. This one was an investment piece, but I definitely recommend investing in something like a white quilt because it matches with absolutely everything. You can use it any time of the year, and I think it just is such a classic piece. Then I'm folding everything down at the top. And then my final layer of bedding is this really cozy down duvet and this white linen duvet cover. Again, the duvet cover was also an investment piece, but it's yet another piece that I can use for many years that matches with really any type of bedding that I have. For pillows, I'm using 3 Euro sized pillows on the back layer of my bed, and then our 2 flannel covered sleeping pillows, and finally some linen pillows in the front. I'm just using one accent pillow, and it's a furry pillow at the front. That's definitely a way you can add a hygge vibe to your bedroom, is by using lots of textures like furs and faux furs and linens and flannels. Candles are a huge part of hygge, so I definitely use lots of candles in my bedroom decor this year. Over here, I'm just putting down an inexpensive basket that I found, and inside the basket, I'm putting this faux fiddle leaf fig from Nearly Natural. This thing looks so real. I love how realistic Nearly Natural's faux plants are. Their company was founded by a horticulturalist, so he knew exactly what he was doing when he was designing these plants. The other piece I'm using here from Nearly Natural is this faux succulent piece. I love how it's in this really cute sort of barnwood looking box, and it's really nice as a bedside accessory. Again, it looks really realistic, and this natural wood and plants are also a huge part of incorporating hygge into your home decor. Again, I'm using more candles and some really cute pumpkins I found at the grocery store. Another way to experience hygge in your home decor is through listening to music, and I just have this little speaker I can hook up to my phone and have some music in our room. I'm decorating our bed with a sheepskin, which is also very Scandi and cozy, and then I have this wicker tray on the bed with some hot drinks, an antler shed, and some pumpkins, and a book. On our love seat here, I'm decorating it with an arm knit blanket, lots of textured pillows, and a cozy hat. So here's how our bedroom looks all decorated for the fall and winter months. I love this really cozy look. It's not only actually physically cozy, but the vibe in here is just so hygge. I'm really liking this love seat at the end of our bed for watching TV, for relaxing, for getting dressed, and I just also love the addition of these faux plants in the room. The entire room is very, very neutral in color, but all of the texture makes it still interesting. And I love the addition of the faux plants, the faux fig, and the faux succulent box on my side of the bed. That just adds a little bit of life and greenery to the space. Make sure to check out the link in the description box below to get 20% off your Nearly Natural products. That is a fantastic deal, so make sure to take advantage of it, and you can add some faux plants to your own decor this fall and winter. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to decorate your own bedroom for fall. Let me know in the comments below what you think of our cozy Hygge master bedroom. Thanks again to Nearly Natural for sponsoring this video and letting me use their beautiful products. I absolutely loved the faux fiddle leaf fig. I love the look of it. Looks perfect in our bedroom. And I also love the mini succulent decoration. It looks so cute on a nightstand. If you want any more info about these products, I will leave a link in the description box below so you can check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget, and I will see you guys all again in my next video. Bye!